When giants fall, the earth trembles. You're watching 15-story towers collapse like dominoes, not from disaster, but by design. This is called controlled demolition, and it takes months of planning for just seconds of impact. Each explosion is timed to the millisecond. Each fall is calculated to avoid chaos. And when it works, this is the result: pure structural choreography. It's violent, it's precise, and it's oddly satisfying. If you love watching the unstoppable force of engineering in motion, subscribe now to Disaster Zone, where destruction meets control.